2013 Acura RDX luxury SUV. White paint with aluminum alloy wheels, good Michelin tires, tinted windows. All-weather cargo liner. Nice well-kept tan leather interior. All-weather floor liners throughout. Power windows, locks, and mirrors with memory driver seat adjustments. Heated front seats. Automatic climate controls. Premium audio system with subwoofer. Free 90-day trial of Sirius XM satellite radio. Backup camera. Hands-free Bluetooth steering wheel controls. Automatic headlights. Just under 145,000 miles. And it's even got a sunroof. Come out and see us. Hey, you cars.